What's something from your childhood that kids today will never experience?
Ako. The first thing that comes to mind being a music lover are CDs and tapes.
Oh, obsolete na.
Wala. Pero nakatesting mo Betamax.
Sila, wala.
Sila wala. Basing nato yung mga listeners ba no nga medyo younger millennials na and they've never seen a VHS or a Betamax. No? Basin lang, no? That's my contribution for this topic.
Ako kay related pud ana.
Siya man.
They're never gonna experience manually recording your favorite songs from the radio
Oo, mag-atang.
and getting annoyed that the DJ talks too early.
Gani. Masapaw sa imong perfect recording. Oo, niya. Unsa pa man, ang mga dili nila ma-experience.
Naadere, ana siya, si stupid folk.
Stupid frock.
Ana siya, having to remember everyone's phone number and also sharing one phone with the whole family or house. Hard to imagine doing that now, only one call at a time, LOL.
Oy, ka-memorize pa ko sa atong telephone number sa gabi na.
Ako fun.
Sige daw, dungan daw ta kung tinuod ba yun. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 4, 1. Wala!